Assalamu alaikum. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. The East Turkestan Revolution will not be televised. The East Turkestan Revolution will not be televised. The revolution will have no warning. The revolution will have no name. The revolution will not be broadcasted because the revolution will not be televised. Originally, East Turkestan, our motherland, was the real territory of the Turkish race. We consist of 7 million people. This land is our birthright, left by our brave ancestors, and it is our duty and responsibility to guard this heritage. The Chinese oppressors came to this land 200 years ago like savages and bandits, seizing our territory, enslaving us, making our land a colony and dishonoring our holy religion. In brief, we became like men who have eyes but are blind, ears but are deaf, tongues but are dumb, and legs but are lame. Such treachery, such barbarous treatment. How can they be endured? Ponder over these things. If you are not a spy or a traitor, if you are born of your mother, if the blood from your umbilical cord wet this soil, if your father owns you as his legitimate son, then you cannot deny the truth of what has just been said.
You must not forget how our country flourished of old under the leadership of such heroes of our race as Sultan Sofia Khan, Harun Khan, Abdul Rashid Khan, Muhammad Khan, Sulu Khan, and Osman Khan. During the times of these great men, we were masters of our territory and maintained a luster of culture equal to any others. Within the last 200 years, we have lost our birthright and live like animals under the cruel sway of the Chinese, who are filthy and barbarians.
Why do uprisings occur? It was because we have the right to raise up against oppression for the sake of our liberty, the happiness and prosperity of our sons, and the renaissance of our religion. We also believe that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has said to us, I shall punish all oppressors. We are fully convinced that the power of the masses is the power of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. In this vein, we fought and overthrowing the treacherous Chinese sovereignty in the 3 districts established a free Muslim East Turkestan state. At the same time, we raised the flag that was handed down from our forefathers.
Our fellow countrymen, men of the faith and members of the same blood, fear not, strengthen your hearts and courage and conscience. After an abundance of bloodshed, we want to compromise peace, which consisted of 11 articles of agreement. In order to preserve this agreement before, the people must be willing to sacrifice everything. The crafty foxes seeking to obtain what is not theirs, the shameless and oppressive Chinese, using these 11 articles as a blind, are seeking again to trap us in their net. The cunning Chinese serve us with a wooden plate, which can be used once only and then must be thrown away. May Allah protect us from falling once more into the Chinese hands. If we do so, again the people know how they will be treated. People, you must remember the past. The land is ours and the invaders have no claim to it.
Now, the military heads of these oppressors at Urumqi are trying to prolong their already exhausted life. Their aim is to re-establish their old barbarous method. Together with them are a few running dogs, conscienceless fools and hypocrites, playing a helping role with the Chinese. The 11 articles of the agreement will not allow the oppressors any road to regain their former sovereignty if its terms are fulfilled.
O shameless beasts and devils, you must know that you are already caught in hell. We, people of the same blood, must not let you dance to Chinese music. The present is an era of democracy, justice, and liberty. No longer of absolute dictatorship. This is no more of a time of slumber, but a bright period of the 20th century. We must struggle unceasingly with our belts still tight. Let these oppressors depart quickly from our East Turkestan. Let these spies, traitors, puppets also leave at once. Let these running dogs of the Chinese and their allies get out also. Long live free East Turkestan.
Long live our Muslim Republic government. Long live the great, the heroic warriors. Long live the crescent calling for our 30 days of holy fast, Ramadan. Long live the stars calling for our 5 daily prayers, Salat. Away with these oppressors, these spies. If you do not depart, there is no room for you here above the ground. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.